Hey guys, so I was looking for the ultimate survival backpacking backpack. One that I could store tons of survival equipment in and lug on my back. Guys, this backpack has about 130 liters carrying capacity. And I just got it in the mail and I'm super excited. This seemed to be like the most sturdy of them all. And I was able to get this for about $280 off their website. So we're gonna open up the box and see what this Kelty Eagle looks like. Oh my goodness, guys, this weighs like 11 pounds. Oh my goodness.
I bet it's gonna be easy for me to carry.
Oh yeah, well empty probably. If it's filled with 50 to 100 pounds of stuff, might be hard. So look at this, buddy. This backpack is awesome. You feel how thick this is?
How thick?
So this is made out of 500D nylon. I don't know what that means, but I know it means sturdy. And then I think the stuff at the bottom is made out of 1000D nylon. The stuff that gets a lot more wear and tear from lifting up and setting down your pack on the ground. These buckles, these plastic buckles, feel very, very strong and sturdy. I think this is a military grade backpack. I don't even know where to begin. There's just so much stuff going on here. Let's see what's in this bottom pouch. So you've got these two clips here. Whoa, that expands out quite a bit. And then look at that room. You could probably fit a few mini sleeping bags in here, or tarps. There's something in here. I can't tell what it is, but there's something kind of bouncy in here. Is it like a rain fly? Got these nice carrying pockets for, you know, phones or bottles or whatever. So this, I think this is the 500D nylon. It feels very sturdy. And then I think this is the 1000D nylon, and this is just ridiculously sturdy. I don't think you have to worry about this like ripping, you know, with normal use out in the wild. You know, if this gets, you know, hit by a blackberry bush, I don't think it's gonna rip it.
What about a polar bear? I mean,
a polar bear, yeah, if a polar bear bites this, they might put a dent in it, but hopefully you're not gonna be attacked by a polar bear on your trip. The zipper quality, it all just seems super high quality, and I'm so glad I got this backpack. It just is like a beast. I'll probably do a follow-up video after I fill this all up so you can see what it looks like when it's totally filled up. Yeah, look at these pouches on the side. Right here, you can see, I think this is an aluminum frame right here. This black metal. I'm pretty positive that's metal. I think that's aluminum, and quite sturdy frame there. Let's open up this main pouch.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness. Overall, I'm liking this a lot. Well, it feels comfortable. It's a very thick belt. Okay, you want to get in really quick? See if you can fit?
Okay, I'll tell you when I'm ready.
Okay, so here we go. Are you in, Celeste?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Whoa!
Are you sure you're in?
Yes!
I can hardly feel you. So I can feel the suspension, like aluminum frame with my back. It kind of bows, I think, with the weight, but it feels like it's holding up great. It still feels quite comfortable to carry her, even though it's not a very well-distributed load. Where are you? Oh, there you are. So this is a great pack if you need a backpack that can carry, you know, your child, if you want to carry them on a hike, or if you want to carry tons and tons of survival equipment. So our son is actually very strong and very heavy for his age. He's 8, but he's like pure muscle. Are you on my back? I can hardly feel you.
Yeah.
Are you sure? He's like pinching my hand off. Ouch. You want to get down? Okay, let's go back down. Hey, sweetheart, can you come here for a sec? I want to show you this backpack I got.
Oh, holy cow.
You like it?
That's humongous.
Here, you should come and take a look inside and see like how much stuff it can fit. Overall, I've been very impressed by this backpack. I'll have to do a follow-up review once I get it filled up and once I kind of take it out to the wild and put it under more stress. But for day one, I'm super impressed. This backpack is super sturdy. It feels just like quality all the way around. Feels like military grade quality. I mean, this belt right here feels like the kind of fabric that they'd use on a car seat belt. Very strong, very flexible, but very tightly knit, very strong material. These loops right here, I'm pretty positive these are coated metal, because I can't like bend them. So they're very strong. All these straps, even the buckles, this buckle on your waist is like, it's plastic, but it feels very thick and very hardened plastic. It's very comfortable. I haven't carried a full load yet. I'm excited to try to fill up all 130 liters of carrying capacity in this thing and to give it a try, but it has met my expectations. This is a very awkward load, right? To have someone sitting in your backpack. It's not very dispersed very evenly, very dense weight, but even with that, it feels super strong and holds up great. Overall, I would highly recommend this Kelty Eagle tactical backpack. I would just recommend buying it for a good price. So check on our link on Amazon, see what kind of price there is currently. If there's not a good price there, maybe check kelty.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.